Hello friends, good morning or afternoon, depending on whenever you guys are watching this video. Happy Monday. I hope everyone had a fantastic spring break, and if you celebrate Easter, I hope you had a fantastic Easter as well. Okay friends, so we're going to dive right into today's video. And this week we're really going to focus on the components of writing really good sentences. So this week and next week, that's what we're doing. So you can see Miss Greathouse still has opinion writing up. We're not doing opinion writing. We're just working on writing really great sentences. So we are focusing on good writers use capital letters. And we don't mean like you write everything in capital letters, guys, because that's not how we normally see stuff that's written. It depends unless it's dialogue in a book or something like that. So we're going to talk about the appropriate times to use capital letters. So I want everyone to think of a time where you might need to use a capital letter in your noggin. So thinking in your noggin, we have our writer brains turned on. When might you need to use a capital letter? And we're going to add all of these things to Miss Greathouse's anchor chart. And guys, Miss Greathouse, I don't know what happened today, but I could not draw very straight lines. So we're just going to use what we have, and we're going to go ahead and get started. So on the count of 3, I want everyone to tell me one time where you might use a capital letter. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Beginning of a sentence. I knew everyone was going to say that one. You guys are right. The beginning of a sentence, and I'm going to use this box because it's a little bit bigger. So we have the beginning of a sentence, like we went to the park. So you can see that the W in we, which is our first word at the beginning of our sentence, is capitalized. Okay. So as we have 5 boxes to fill, we filled 1. So if we have 5 and we take away 1, that means we have 4 boxes left. So when is another time that you might use a capital letter? We got our writer brains on. We're thinking. I thought of one. What about the word I? The word I is always capitalized. And remember, I is also a sight word. And we all know the word I. So we'll have the word I. So that is always capitalized. We have the word I, a beginning of a sentence. Okay, so let's check in to see how many we have left. We have 5. We filled in 2. So we have 3 boxes left. 3 more times where we're always going to use capital letters. Okay. I'm going to give you some hints on this one. So these are nouns, and remember, nouns are people, places, or things. And it's not just any noun. These nouns have a specific name. And it's the names of people, places, or things. So the names of people, places, or things. Now, restaurant, that's just a restaurant, so that's just a place. But if you named a specific restaurant like McDonald's, that would be capitalized in your sentence. So McDonald's would be capitalized. Or if you're talking about a specific person like Cortez, you would make sure that Cortez's name was capitalized. And friends, remember, these are nouns, but they're also called they're a specific type of noun. And these are called proper nouns. So anytime you see a proper noun, it'll be capitalized, like McDonald's or Miss Teresa, or what else? So a specific thing could be a type of toy. So like Play-Doh or Miss Gilmore. Oh, Miss Greyhouse ran out of some room. So all of those things will be capitalized. So names of people, places, and things, and those are called proper nouns. Miss Greyhouse needs to add an S to her nouns. Okay, so let's do a check-in. We had 5. We finished 3, so we have 2 more times when we're always going to use capital letters. Guys, this is not Miss Greyhouse's best anchor chart. You know, it's not my favorite. But, once again, that's okay. We are learning, and next time Miss Greyhouse does this anchor chart, it's going to be so much better. This is just how it happened today. You know, you have good days, you have bad days, and for Miss Greyhouse's anchor chart making skills, this is not a great day, and that is okay. So, we know right now that we always use capital letters when writing the word I, at the beginning of a sentence, and when using proper nouns, which are just names of people, places, and things. So we have 2 left. And the next one, at least in Miss Greyhouse's class, and I'm sure in everyone else's class, we say both of these. So both of the last 2 boxes, we say these every day during morning meeting. So I typically, when we're virtual, I'll say, today is blah, 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 blah. And my kids will repeat it. If we're in person, I always make someone tell me. So one of these are our days of the week. So we have, and I'm going to write this on the top of this box, days of the week. And today, the day that Miss Greyhouse is recording this, is Sunday, because I have other friends that I will see tomorrow. So we have Sunday, which is a day of the week. And then tomorrow is another day of the week, which would be Monday, which is the day that you guys are watching this. And then say it with me. After Monday comes Tuesday. Very good. And after Tuesday, everybody comes Wednesday. Awesome. And after Wednesday, everybody comes Thursday. Very good. And after Thursday comes a lot of your guys' favorite day of the week. Typically, if we were in a normal school year, this would be our last day of school for the week. So after Thursday comes, everybody, Friday. Fridays are always fun. There's just something magical about Fridays, especially when you're in school. And last but not least, after Friday comes the first day of the weekend. It's the day of the week that everybody gets to sleep in most of the time. And after Friday, everybody comes Saturday. Very good. Saturday. Okay, so we have our days of the week. So anytime you saw those in a sentence, they would be capitalized. And so a morning meeting every day, most likely you guys will probably say what day of the week it is. You might say today is Monday, April 8th, 2021, which that's not the date of today, so I'm not sure why that's the one I chose. Let me fix that. Today is Monday, April 6th, 2021. So you would capitalize Monday if you were to write that out. Obviously, you can't really capitalize it when you're saying it. Okay, last one. I just said an example in the sentence I just said. It's another thing that we say in morning meeting. It tells you where you're at in the year. And each of these normally has a specific holiday. Everybody's birthday falls in at least one of these. These are called the months of the year. So we have months of the year. So these are always capitalized. Okay, so we have our first month of the year. It starts off it's the same month, starts off the year every year. It's also the month when we celebrate Martin Luther King Jr.'s birthday and when we ring in the new year. So that month is January. Okay, let's see if you guys can guess the next one. So our next month comes after January, and this is the month that we celebrate Valentine's Day. Everybody, the month is February. Very good. February. Okay. This next month comes after February. It is when we celebrate St. Patrick's Day. It is typically when we start our spring break. And it is when Miss Greathouse has 3 birthdays in her family. So it's the month we celebrate St. Patrick's Day in, when we typically have spring break. And Miss Greathouse has several birthdays in her family. So the month that comes after February, everybody, is March. Very good. Okay, our next one is the month we're currently in. It starts with an A. We typically celebrate Easter in this month. And it's the month we're currently in right now. Miss Greathouse also has another family birthday in this month. My grandma's birthday is this month. You guys know she helps Miss Greathouse out a lot. Okay, so the month that comes after March is April. Okay, guys. This next month is the month that comes after April. It is Miss Greathouse's birthday month, so my birthday is in this month. And, guys, it's when we typically have our last day of school. Say what? That means we're pretty close to the last day of school. Okay, the month that comes after April, everybody, is May. Okay, this next month is the first official month of summer, guys. And this is typically if you do summer school, when summer school would start. And it's when it starts to get really hot outside. So, the month that comes after May is June. Very good, very good. Okay, this next one's pretty easy because we celebrate a holiday that has the name of the month in it, guys. It's still summer. It's still super hot outside. And this is when we celebrate Independence Day, also known as 4th of July. So the month that comes after June, everybody, is July. Very good. This next month is the month that in a normal school year, we typically start school in this month. It's still hot. Miss Greathouse doesn't like it when it's hot, guys. It's still hot. And it's normally when you have your first day of school. So the month that comes after July is August. Very good. Okay, Miss Greathouse can't talk. I'm not sure what's happening, guys. Okay, the month that comes after August, we do have one holiday in. We get an extra day off of school. It's called Labor Day. So we get a Monday off in September. And it starts to cool down a little bit. So the month that comes after August, everybody, is September. Let's see if Miss Greathouse can fit it over here. September. Okay. Oh, after September, guys, Miss Greathouse's favorite month comes. And this is when we celebrate Miss Greathouse's favorite holiday, Halloween. This is the month we celebrate Halloween in. It starts to get even cooler. Fall starts to happen. We start seeing lots of pumpkins and hay and maybe some corn stalks. So everybody, the month that comes after September is October. Friends, if you are in Miss Greathouse's class, you know how much Miss Greathouse loves Halloween. That is my favorite holiday. Okay, friends, we only have 2 months left. And the next month, we celebrate Thanksgiving, which means we get Thanksgiving break. So, The month that comes after October is, everybody, November. Very good. Now guys, this last one, it's going to be easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Because at least in my class, a lot of my friends, this month has their favorite holiday. So this last month is where we celebrate all different kinds of winter holidays. We celebrate Christmas, Hanukkah, Kwanzaa, and I'm sure Miss Greenhouse is forgetting a few holidays because there's a lot that happens in that month. So, what month comes after November? Everybody on 3. 1, 2, 3. December. Very good. Okay. So we have learned that we always use capital letters when we are using the word I at the beginning of a sentence, when we use a day of the week or a month of the year, and if we use proper nouns, which are the names of people, places, and things. Oh, excuse me, friends. Whew. So those are when we use capital letters. So what you're going to do for your seesaw assignment today is you are going to go in and you're going to fix the words and sentences that need to be capitalized. So all you're going to do is you're going to go in and rewrite the sentence and make sure that you write it with the correct words capitalized. Because these friends wrote these sentences, but they still don't understand 100% about capital letters, but you guys are experts now. So you're going to be able to go in and help them fix those capital letters. And I will see all of you tomorrow. Have a fantastic Monday.